初级短语1000句，每天10分钟磨耳朵，一个月听懂英语。
What a lovely sunny day.
What a lovely sunny day.
多么美好晴朗的一天啊！
What a lovely sunny day.
What a lovely sunny day.
How are you feeling right now?
How are you feeling right now?
你现在感觉怎么样？
How are you feeling right now?
How are you feeling right now?
Nice to see you around today.
Nice to see you around today.
今天能在这儿见到你真好。
Nice to see you around today.
Nice to see you around today.
Did you walk here this morning?
Did you walk here this morning?
你是今天早上走过来的吗？
Did you walk here this morning?
Did you walk here this morning?
I'm all right, thank you kindly.
I'm all right, thank you kindly.
我很好，非常感谢你。
I'm all right, thank you kindly.
I'm all right, thank you kindly.
Where do you buy fresh fruit?
Where do you buy fresh fruit?
你在哪里买新鲜水果？
Where do you buy fresh fruit?
Where do you buy fresh fruit?
I'm sorry, I can't join this time.
I'm sorry, I can't join this time.
对不起，这次我不能参加。
I'm sorry, I can't join this time.
I'm sorry, I can't join this time.
I grow small flowers at home.
I grow small flowers at home.
我在家种了些小花。
I grow small flowers at home.
I grow small flowers at home.
I'm hungry, want some rice cake.
I'm hungry, want some rice cake.
我饿了，想吃点米糕。
I'm hungry, want some rice cake.
I'm hungry, want some rice cake.
Would you like a cup of soda?
Would you like a cup of soda?
你想来杯汽水吗？
Would you like a cup of soda?
Would you like a cup of soda?
How long does it take to walk?
How long does it take to walk?
走路需要多长时间？
How long does it take to walk?
How long does it take to walk?
I'm busy, so I have to leave.
I'm busy, so I have to leave.
我很忙，所以得走了。
I'm busy, so I have to leave.
I'm busy, so I have to leave.
I love to cook simple meals.
I love to cook simple meals.
我喜欢做简单的饭菜。
I love to cook simple meals.
I love to cook simple meals.
It's windy, hold your hat tight.
It's windy, hold your hat tight.
风很大，抓紧你的帽子。
It's windy, hold your hat tight.
It's windy, hold your hat tight.
Which shop sells cheap pens?
Which shop sells cheap pens?
哪家店卖便宜的钢笔？
Which shop sells cheap pens?
Which shop sells cheap pens?
I'm full, thanks for the food.
I'm full, thanks for the food.
我吃饱了，谢谢款待。
I'm full, thanks for the food.
I'm full, thanks for the food.
I read short books at night.
I read short books at night.
我晚上读短篇的书。
I read short books at night.
I read short books at night.
Can I get a cup of warm tea?
Can I get a cup of warm tea?
我能要一杯热茶吗？
Can I get a cup of warm tea?
Can I get a cup of warm tea?
How do you go to work daily?
How do you go to work daily?
你每天怎么去上班？
How do you go to work daily?
How do you go to work daily?
I don't eat spicy food, sorry.
I don't eat spicy food, sorry.
抱歉，我不吃辣的食物。
I don't eat spicy food, sorry.
I don't eat spicy food, sorry.
I clean my room every week.
I clean my room every week.
我每周打扫我的房间。
I clean my room every week.
I clean my room every week.
How much is this small plant?
How much is this small plant?
这棵小植物多少钱？
How much is this small plant?
How much is this small plant?
Do you have this in light blue?
Do you have this in light blue?
这个有浅蓝色的吗？
Do you have this in light blue?
Do you have this in light blue?
I can't stay long, have plans.
I can't stay long, have plans.
我不能久留，还有安排。
I can't stay long, have plans.
I can't stay long, have plans.
I drink warm water every day.
I drink warm water every day.
我每天都喝温水。
I drink warm water every day.
I drink warm water every day.
Excuse me, where's the toilet?
Excuse me, where's the toilet?
打扰一下，厕所在哪里？
Excuse me, where's the toilet?
Excuse me, where's the toilet?
Go left at the red street light.
Go left at the red street light.
在红绿灯处左转。
Go left at the red street light.
Go left at the red street light.
I don't like sweet snacks much.
I don't like sweet snacks much.
我不太喜欢甜食。
I don't like sweet snacks much.
I don't like sweet snacks much.
Is there a park near your home?
Is there a park near your home?
你家附近有公园吗？
Is there a park near your home?
Is there a park near your home?
Can you say that more slowly?
Can you say that more slowly?
你能说慢一点吗？
Can you say that more slowly?
Can you say that more slowly?
Where can I buy fresh bread?
Where can I buy fresh bread?
我在哪里能买到新鲜面包？
Where can I buy fresh bread?
Where can I buy fresh bread?
I walk my dog every morning.
I walk my dog every morning.
我每天早上都遛狗。
I walk my dog every morning.
I walk my dog every morning.
Would you like a fresh apple?
Would you like a fresh apple?
你想来个新鲜的苹果吗？
Would you like a fresh apple?
Would you like a fresh apple?
I collect small cute stickers.
I collect small cute stickers.
我收集小巧可爱的贴纸。
I collect small cute stickers.
I collect small cute stickers.
That shop has nice cheap cups.
That shop has nice cheap cups.
那家店的杯子又好又便宜。
That shop has nice cheap cups.
That shop has nice cheap cups.
This rice cake tastes so soft.
This rice cake tastes so soft.
这个米糕尝起来很软。
This rice cake tastes so soft.
This rice cake tastes so soft.
You give great useful tips.
You give great useful tips.
你给的建议非常有用。
You give great useful tips.
You give great useful tips.
I think this tea is very nice.
I think this tea is very nice.
我觉得这茶非常好喝。
I think this tea is very nice.
I think this tea is very nice.
Don't worry, it's not a problem.
Don't worry, it's not a problem.
别担心，这不是问题。
Don't worry, it's not a problem.
Don't worry, it's not a problem.
Thank you for your nice help.
Thank you for your nice help.
谢谢你的热心帮助。
Thank you for your nice help.
Thank you for your nice help.
如果你对学习英语感兴趣，别忘了点赞、转发、订阅我们的频道，并打开小铃铛接收最新更新。